Hey, what is up YouTube? DJ TV here, and we have finally made it here to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Wow, it feels great to be back. This is my old stomping grounds when I was like a baby. We stayed here. Now, these are some of the rooms, all down there. There's more in the back. I'll show you guys more probably later during this weekend or something, because I know we are going out later to Sight and Sound Theater for the play tonight. And the awesome thing is, right here, right there, is a freaking Golden Corral. I'm too fat to, I know. Well, that's awesome. That's a Golden Corral right there. That is definitely new. There's some shopping areas, like right down there, like outlets that we used to go to years ago. They're still there. It's amazing. This place it brings back a lot of, I can't even talk. I'm so like, wow. I'm caught up in the moment because this is my childhood right here, and you know, coming here for years. My grandmother, not the one that recently passed away, but my other grandmother, my mom's mom, that died 4 years ago, sadly, stayed here as well with us. She always came on vacations with us. It was a great time. You know, Brittany, we were all here. She used to stay on this side. This side's like the smoking side, because my grandmother was a smoker as well. Man, I just wish she would never smoke. But I know she's happy that we're here, and I'm happy we're here. So it's gonna be a great time. And before we head out, I think we're gonna be going to some stores first. But when we go to the stores, that's gonna be a separate video. That's gonna be the Toy Hunts video. So there might be 2 videos in one day. That should be awesome. So I might film some inside Golden Corral, the play. I'll just do like some clips of the play. I'm not gonna show a whole thing because I want to enjoy it. So it should be good. And yeah, let's get rock and rolling. But first, I want to show you guys the inside of the room. Let's do it. First thing first is mama. All right. Up here we have a little table. You just want to sit down, do whatever you want, edit, whatever. Perfect. Mama's bed, because she likes staying near the AC. Get my shot. My bed. You can tell my bag is right here. Awesome bag. 3 pillows, the phone, the clock. If you're interested. The painting, well, not paintings, but the pictures are pretty cool. Wow, I remember that too. That picture right there with the horses. Right? The TV. I've got some drawers. There's the mirror, me. What we got? The fridge. There is nothing in the fridge. Not yet. I'm pretty sure later. Ice, the bathroom, whatever you want to call it, the sink, hair dryer, got wash rags, coffee maker, more mirror, a rack. Mom already putting her clothes up there. Okay, and the bathroom. Oh, you're gonna be my friend later. I'm telling you that right now. And the shower. So that's the whole room. Anything you want to say to the people? Oh, right, before we go, right, this is the room we stayed in years ago. When I was younger.
Yeah.
Me and Brittany, man. Wish Brittany would have been here. But she has a son. Let me get the better lighting.
And a fiance.
She has a son.
And a fiance.
Yeah, and a fiance. But pretty sure 1 year or hopefully soon we'll be here. So what are we doing now?
You hungry? We can go store first and then eat? You want to do that?
Yeah. Heading up Golden Corral. Mom's first time. This is actually my second time at Golden Corral. So we're gonna eat it up real good. So what'd you think of Golden Corral? She didn't even try the chocolate yet. Look, it's already
Oh.
it's already frozen. Look at that, it's not even chocolatey no more. Good, right? Well, you can tell my plate is gone. Another success at Golden Corral. It's delicious. So, safe to say we're coming back here before we leave. Now, off to Sight and Sound Theater we go. Place is like a castle. Good for the play. Awesome color to the car. Let's go do it. This is what the inside looks like with the Sight and Sound. This is the lobby. When you get in sections. I'll show you guys when we get to our seats. All right, we are back at the room. It was a good show, right?
Yep.
Really good show. Enjoyed it. Really good. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Had a great day. Great first day, I should say. The toy hunt that's gonna go up. You guys will not want to miss it. So go ahead and check it out. So, but we'll see you guys tomorrow. I guess 2 videos in one day is not that bad. Right? So we'll see you out tomorrow. Do that. Too sweet.
Too sweet.
And go up to the camera like that. This thing right here. Go like that to it.